and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan. Let's look at today's top headline. Ajanta Pharma launches world's first FDC Met XL AMT for patients with uncontrolled hypertension and cardiovascular comorbidity in India. Ajanta Pharma, one of the leaders in the cardiology segment, has announced the launch of Met XL AMT, a novel triple drug combination for the management of hypertensive patients in India. Consisting of the unique DCGI-approved combination of Telmisartan, Amlodipine and Metoprolol, the combination has been introduced for the first time in India to help millions of patients suffering from uncontrolled hypertension and cardiovascular comorbidities. Met XL AMT has been approved by DCGI for the management of uncontrolled hypertension with stable coronary artery disease. It is the world's first fixed-dose combination of Metoprolol Succinate, extended release of 50 mg, Amlodipine 5 mg and Telmisartan 40 mg. This triple antihypertensive FDC is used for the treatment of uncontrolled hypertension with cardiovascular comorbidities who have not achieved adequate BP control with dual drug therapy or are intolerant to diuretic-based combinations. The most recent European Society of Hypertension 2023 guidelines recommend the consideration for the use of a triple combination of blood pressure lowering therapies, including angiotensin receptor blockers, calcium channel blockers and beta blockers in uncontrolled hypertension on dual therapy. The guidelines also reaffirm the use of single pill combination at any step of treatment to improve treatment adherence and patient compliance. Hypertension is the most important risk factor for CVD in India. Studies have reported that Indian patients with hypertension are 11 times more likely to be affected by coronary artery disease as compared to non-hypertensive adult population. Hypertension is attributed as the top risk factor of stroke in India among young Indian hypertensive patients aged 18 to 45 years, and 70% reported suffering from multiple other cardiovascular risk factors. Such multiple cardiovascular risk factors and comorbidities also contribute to uncontrolled hypertension, as indicated in Indian studies. Commenting on the launch, Mr. Porus Vakil, president of the India business Ajanta Pharma, stated, "We recognize the role of effective combination treatment medications for the management of hypertension. Met XL AMT is the world's first FDC of 3 best-in-class antihypertensive agents to offer aggressive BP control and better cardiovascular protection. The launch of Met XL AMT is a step towards our commitment to addressing unmet medical needs to improve patient care outcomes in hypertension." Mr. Chanchal Kumar Gop, senior general manager at Ajanta Pharma, further added, "Uncontrolled hypertension doubles the risk of cardiovascular events and strokes. As per a scientific survey, 75% of India's HCPs opined they would consider triple drug combinations for patients uncontrolled with dual therapy. Our initiative will further strengthen the Indian Hypertension Control Initiative and mark a significant milestone in the fight against hypertension." Ajanta Pharma is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical engaged in the development, manufacturing and marketing of diverse pharmaceutical formulations and many of the first-to-market formulations, providing access to premium quality medicines across 30+ countries around the world. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.